Detroit Grooming Company. The razor for today's shave. Aurelius by Elysian. This is going to be released on August 16th. We've got the aftershave splash. Pacific Shaving Company natural cork handle brush with FM brushes. Premium synthetic badger hair. Best brush in the business. You can get this while supplies last, guys. So I'll jump in the shower now. I'll steam up. I'll clean up. I'll come back for the shave. So I'm running about a week's worth of growth here. Just jumped out of the shower, so I'm nice and fresh and steamed up and ready to go. So Aurelius by Elysian Soap drops on August 16. Guys, this is a great scent here. Now, I love the packaging. Gold cap, nice hearty tin, 4-ounce soap, slightly oversized, which is nice for me because I don't need a bowl. I can lather right in this container, which I like. Subtle. What I love about Elysian soaps is they lather well. Their scents are subtle. So this has a very subtle, kind of warm, amber, citrusy smell to it. Very, very nice. All right, so that will be our soap for today. They've also sent me the aftershave splash, which just amps up that primary note on the back end of your shave. It just leaves you with that nice lingering, warm, amber, citrus, beautiful smell on the back end of your shave. Today's star of the show is the Detroit Grooming Company's stainless razor here. Beautiful knurling. Picked this up a while back, haven't used it in a while. Got a nice scalloped deck here. Open comb. Just beautiful, nice and hefty. Just as I remembered, provides just a nice, smooth, great shave. And we're gonna be lathering up with our natural cork handle brush from Pacific Shaving Company, guys. You better get out and get them now while they're still available. A little near hot water on the brush. As you can see, there's some dripping going on. And we're gonna get right into that tin. And we're gonna start this lather gather process a little more wet than usual because I've been having some issues with dryness, and we'll start it off with some good lather there. We'll go back to a little warm near hot water on the face, and we'll lather right on the face there. Oh, nice. And as you lather this on, just brightens as you lather. So that smell, it's haunting. These soaps are just easy to lather, slick, and the scents are divine. Now, if I wanted more foam, I could add more water, more agitation, but I'm good with this, guys. I'm good with this. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna do a 35 degree angle. I'm gonna start right here and go with the grain of the hair on my face. So I'm shaving downward. Oh, nice. Beautiful. You've got two sides of a double edge. Use both. And you're using nice, gentle strokes. No need to do too much here, guys. Let the weight of the device do all the work. Let the weight of the device do all the work. All right, we're going with the grain of the hair on your face for the first pass. Really, really nice. This is a nice, relaxing shave with just a wonderful, relaxing scent. Again, it drops on August 16th. I'll leave a link in the description box. You can get over to Elysian Soap Shop and get your set. But I'll also leave their website URL right here. We'll come back over here. Oh, nice. This is the tough bit right here. Nice. We'll rinse that out. Warm water, near hot. Plenty of heft with this razor, which helps. If I want you to use little to no pressure and you want the device to do all the work, it's great when you have a hefty device, and this is hefty. Nice. So first pass in the books, guys. So let's rinse off with warm water, and we'll put on another layer of foam, and we'll go with the second pass. All right, come back to that original grab of soap for our second pass. Roll that into the whiskers. And again, if I want more lather, just add a little bit more water, a little bit more agitation. Brings you thicker foam. Okay, second pass will be a cross grain pass. This is where we're going to attend to under the nooks and crannies. We're going to get the hair around the tender bits, and we'll start again. Easy strokes. Ah, nice. Taking care of all those hairs that you may have missed on that first pass. And with this approach, you really just want to use the fundamentals. Light to no pressure. I'm going to let the device glide across the skin. And take your time. Take your time and do it the right way. Oh, nice. Now on the jawline and where the contours of the neck, I'm not trying to force the blade to go straight across. I'm actually adapting to the contour of the neck. I've got a little weeper there because you don't want to do anything abrupt. You just want to roll with it. Second pass in the books. I'll rinse this blade off with near hot water. Put some near hot water on the face, and we'll go with the third and final application of the foam for the final pass. And for me, this is always the thinnest layer of foam. I leave it then because I'm not trying to do too much here. But again, if you wanted thicker foam here, add a little bit more water, agitation, and you get thicker foam. No need to go back to that tin or that container and overdo it. I could make this thicker if I wanted to. A little bit more water, a little bit more agitation, creates more foam. There you go. Third and final pass is an against grain pass. This is my get right pass, and I'm doing very, very little. I'm letting that blade glide across the skin, whispering across the face, the neck. And I'm stopping if I feel any pain, discomfort. This is just that final bit of sandpaper, that fine grit sandpaper, if you will. It just finishes off that glass-like, smooth baby's bottom face. We'll rinse the head off and we'll come back over here. Take your time. And you never get it perfect. Ooh, cut myself. Benefit of a light touch is if you do cut yourself, which happens, as you can see, it's closed up already. All right, there we go. Now I'll rinse off with cool water. I'll apply the aftershave and I'll get the hell out of here. All right, now we'll go with the aftershave. Love these matching sets. Get a generous amount. Ah, yeah. Ah, nice, protective, restorative, wonderful tonic. And that's it, guys. Great shave. Now it's time for me to get the hell out of here. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know how you feel, what you want me to look at. And remember, Aurelius drops on August 16. Get over to Elysian Soap Shop. Check them out and tell them the average guy sent you. I'll see you clowns next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now, Haley, roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could